Hello YouTube. Today I'm going to be showing you how to test if a fuse is blown by using a multimeter or one of these 240 testers that I have made by Regan or Fluke or whoever you want. So as you can see here, just popping you down here, one of these is not working and one of these is working. So with my tester, all I've got to do is put one of the prongs on one side and one on the other. It doesn't matter. It just tests it if there's continuity, so if there is a flow going through it or if the fuse has blown and there is a short in the circuit. So as you can see here, I'm not getting anything on this red fuse, but as you put it over to this darker one, the light on the right is flashing, saying that there is call it a flow through the fuse. So this is a quick way of testing if a fuse is blown or not. I hope this will help someone. For more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe. There'll be loads of content coming soon. Hope this helps. Bye.